Within this striped armor lies a solar-powered giant. The sunflower seed is a compact engine of rapid growth.
Breaking the surface. The sunflower sprout sheds its old life, reaching for the first touch of the sun.
Built for height. The sunflower stalk is a lightweight but incredibly strong pillar, engineered to reach the sky.
The sunflower taproot reaching deep, while lateral roots spread out for stability.
The sunflower stalk develops a heavy, pointed green bud at the very tip.
The solar tracker. Even before the bloom, the sunflower bud is a living compass, seeking the sun's energy with rhythmic precision.
The sunflower bud begins to swell, the green bracts slowly pulling back to reveal yellow hints.
The explosion of light. Hundreds of bright yellow ray florets open simultaneously, creating a radiant crown for the sun.
The central disk of the sunflower head is revealed, covered in thousands of tiny, green disc florets.
Synchronized loyalty. Every open sunflower head in the field turns in unison, a massive collective of solar capture.
Divine geometry. The disc florets are arranged in a perfect Fibonacci spiral, a mathematical masterpiece for maximum seed packing.
The digital overlays trace the journey of the pollen grains, streaming down into the ovary.
The weight of success. After pollination, the sunflower head turns away from the sun to protect the developing seeds.
The sunflower seeds begin to harden, their shells turning from white to striped black and gray.
Crowded perfection. Inside the sunflower head, thousands of seeds compete for space, yet every seed finds its perfect home.
The back of the sunflower head turns a deep lemon yellow, then a dry brown color.
The final maturity. The moisture drops, the energy is locked, and the sunflower seed is ready for the world.
From a single stripe to a solar revolution, The genesis of the sunflower is complete. An AI-generated cross-section reveals the rich, white kernel inside the striped sunflower seed shell.
The camera glides low over the field of bowing sunflower heads, the air filled with a dry, earthy scent. Witness the geometry of the sun, a miracle of math and light. This is Genesis motion.
The dance of light. Every leaf is a solar panel, adjusting its angle to maximize every photon.
Securely anchored. Until the moment of maturity, every seed is locked into its geometric position. The sunflower plant stands as a symbol of loyalty, strength, and endless energy.
Pure, radiant, perfect. Genesis Motion brings you the energy.
The Genesis Motion Estate is shown to be a zero-waste, solar-powered agricultural sanctuary.